On a fast-paced job site, professionals require the best tools to stay competitive. Today, those tools no longer have to be stuck in the past. Introducing the T1 Tomahawk Digital Tape Measure by REEKON Tools. The T1 is a revolution in measuring, making fast, accurate, and forget-free measurements. A live view OLED display shows measurements of the tape measure blade digitally in both English and metric units. An industry-first green laser line extension shows accurate alignment and capturing of any material geometry. With the click of a button, measurements are saved to a side-mounted, highly visible e-paper display. Requiring zero calculations, taking inside, center, and incremental measurements are never more than a button click away. The T1's Bluetooth connectivity, paired with the REEKON Rock app, allows for unprecedented measuring and layout sharing across your crew. Durability is paramount for any measuring tool, and the T1 is no exception. With industry-leading blade robustness and impact protection ribs, the T1 Tomahawk is built for getting results. The REEKON digital measuring ecosystem allows for paperless measurement from capture to execution. Robust functionality and practical features makes the T1 Tomahawk the clear choice for pros, allowing you to finish your jobs faster and more accurately. REEKON Tools, built on digital.